Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting gears to an exciting return in the dual sport world, the new 2026 Yamaha XT600. Known for its rugged simplicity, reliability, and off-road spirit, the XT600 has long been a favorite among adventure riders. The 2026 model brings that classic DNA into the modern era with smarter engineering and updated styling. Let's dive into what makes this XT600 revival so compelling. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 carries a fresh yet familiar look, blending retro dual sport vibes with sharper modern touches. The new LED headlamp, slimmer body panels, and improved ergonomics give it a more aggressive stance. Yamaha has refined the fuel tank shape for better comfort and added new color schemes. Inspired by classic XT heritage, lightweight construction and neatly integrated components keep the bike clean and ready for adventure, performance, and powertrain. Powering the XT600 is an upgraded 600cc single-cylinder, engine tuned for better low-end torque and smoother delivery. Paired with a revised 5-speed gearbox and lighter frame, the bike feels more responsive both on dirt and pavement. Yamaha's improved suspension setup enhances stability, while optimized fuel mapping boosts efficiency. The XT600 remains true to its purpose: simple, durable, and capable in any terrain, safety and technology. While keeping its rugged roots, the 2026 XT600 adds essential modern touches. It features ABS with off-road mode, a compact digital display, and selectable ride settings for varied conditions. The lighting system is fully LED, and the new handlebar controls make navigation easier during long rides. Though minimalist compared to larger adventure bikes, the XT600 offers just the right tech for practical adventure use. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 is a strong comeback for riders who value reliability, versatility, and pure adventure spirit. With its blend of classic durability and modern refinement, this XT600 is ready for both city commutes and off-road exploration. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first impressions on the machines shaping the riding world.